Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the S&P 500 rises as markets prepare to close out a miserable week, month, and quarter. Stocks were choppy on Friday as traders looked to close out a terrible week that brought the S&P 500 to a new 2022 low, guys. So the S&P 500 was up 0.4%. The Dow Jones gains 28 points or 0.1%, while the Nasdaq was 0.9% higher. An inflation report closely watched by the Federal Reserve released Friday showed that prices continue to increase at a rapid pace. Federal Reserve Vice Chair on Friday underscored the need to bring down inflation, saying the central bank is committed to avoiding pulling back prematurely on restrictive monetary policy. Nike shares fared sharply in the worst day since 2001 after the company reported that sales increased, but supply chain and inventory issues hampered the bottom line. In this fiscal first quarter, the stock was last down 13%. So, guys, as we know, the market has been in a very, very weird state. A lot of back and forthness, spikes going up, little mini spikes, just to spike right back down. The same thing has been occurring in the crypto market. We've been seeing Bitcoin do the same thing, run up towards 20, right back down to 18, run up towards 20, right back down to 18. And it's doing this bungee jumping right before a huge, huge spike, guys, for the overall market in Bitcoin. I called this out once before, and we calling out it again. Like I told you guys, prepare yourselves. You want to be loading up, buying as much as you can at the low levels in the red. And soon as we get this crazy spike, once companies is up over 30-40% in a day, someone will spike like that. In the past week, some will be up over 100%, 60%. That's when you need to be selling into strength, guys. So just as we we was in this position about a month or so ago when our whole overall market in crypto started to spike. Bitcoin went up around 25,000. We had individual securities running up over 300% in a month, some up over 30-40% in a single day, guys. That's exactly what's about to take place here again. Basically, the Feds is making it very easy to get rich, guys. And of course, that statement is for the people that already have some type of leverage with finances, meaning you already have over 5 figures, you already have a little over 6 figures. And if you have that type of money and put into assets like crypto and also securities, the stocks that are, down significantly from their highs, you able to make, 200-300% returns on your money like that, guys. And that's not included. That's just regular buying shares outright. That's not including the folks that, time it near the end of consolidation before the market truly turn over into a bullish market, and the ones catch it right there at the end where their premiums isn't that high with options trading, and they buy a lot of contracts in a particular security that's down big, and that security jump over 30-40% in a single day. That's going to be thousands of percentage in option trading. So really, that's what a power for the ones in the back saying, okay, well, if I got $100,000 or $30,000 or $20,000, that's a long way from $1 million. The only way you'll be able to scale up very, very quickly and sharply during this crazy downturn of a market is if you time it correctly, be in the right place at the right time with an option trade, guys. Getting it near the end of consolidation so you won't have to have that contract, expiring way in 2023 or next year, which is costing you a hell of a lot on the premium side because of the expiration being so far out. So my thing is, guys, if you're able to time it right, be smart, meticulous, patient, know exactly, when to go in, you could definitely make bukus and bukus of money, guys, once this market starts to turn around. For day traders, for short-term investors that want to get in and out of the market during these times like that, just throw some sauce out there. These times is where you need to be spending time with your family, coming up with new business ideas, doing other things. Once you get, all the way in the market, this is the time where you have your free time to yourself. When the market is in a bearish market, it's not ideal to be a long day trader and be out in this madness. You want to be patient, wait for the market to come to you, guys. So anyways, like I say, the opportunity is definitely there. Just go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, because like we know, I expect it for Friday to be, one for the books. Usually on Friday, we'll have a sell off, the market to pull back. A lot of day traders, investors getting out of positions, waiting for the next week. But oh man, as I'm looking, I told you guys, Bitcoin was steady stagnant, dropping to 18, coming back to 19.5, and it was ready to take on $20,000. I just told you guys that last night's video. Said Bitcoin is going to blast straight to 20,000, test that resistance at 20,300 and blast straight through it, which is then going to return. Then in return, push the overall market up significantly as well, guys. And that's exactly what we're seeing. We got Amazon, Amazon, Shopify. We got Tesla. We got Roblox. We got almost everything on my watch list is up on this Friday, guys. Coinbase up over 6% today. Snapchat, AMC, GME, Tilray, Carvana, and Upstart. These are just some of the stocks that I've been, keeping a close eye on because I believe they do have, some of the best returns.